Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get a VPS to run your forex trades. Those of you that have some specific robots that you use to trade, you can actually use a VPS to power it. Now there are different websites. You might have been seeing some online on VPS. You have forex VPS, you have different type of VPS, but this particular one is cheap and I've been using them for a while, and it's also fast. So you just simply come to this site, iozoom.com without space. All right, so when you visit the website like this, you just scroll down to where you have forex VPS. All right, you have different types of VPS. You have Linux VPS hosting, you have Windows VPS hosting, you have managed cloud VPS, and we also have forex VPS. So just click on forex VPS by clicking on see plans. All right, you scroll down. Now you can see there are different packages. We have the 2 GB RAM memory, all right, with 30 GB storage. The bandwidth is also unmetered and so on, and the price is $10. All right, we also have the 4 GB storage space, and it's $20. You can read the information there. We have up to 32, 48, 64 GB RAM. All right, you can see, and the space is almost a TB, almost 1 TB, 700 GB memory, and CPU is 8, and you can see the speed, and that's the $320 per month. All right, so I'm just going to select the lowest one, which is the one you actually need. You don't need to get too much space because you're just running a forex stuff. So just click order now. All right, so when you click order now, you can see the information here. Now under this host name, you just type a random name like your username. All right, just type a random name like my forex VPS. All right, and password, you're going to type any random password there. All right, let's say my forex VPS. Just can use that as your password. All right, this is the password you need to log in your VPS. All right, this is the password you need to log in on your RDP. I will tell you what an RDP is. All right, now when you do this, you scroll down, you can select a location here. This is not necessary, but you can just select a random location. You can choose London. All right, and you scroll down and click continue. And when you click continue, it's going to take you to a payment page. All right, it's going to take you to a payment page. Now as you can see, the only thing you need to do here is to check out. All right, you click checkout. Now when you click checkout, you type your information, your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number. You change the country on this phone number page here. You change the country to whatever country you are, and you also type your billing address. All right, then you put your SMS number, the phone number you used, you type it here, and your account, the password you will need for your account, you put it here, and you also confirm your password here, and this is where you're going to make payments below. All right, there are different payment methods. Those of you that want to use your credit or debit card, you can select this option. If you want to use PayPal, you select this. Alipay, you can use Union Pay, bank contact, you have iDeal, you have Bitcoin, and we have GiroPay. So for those of you that have issues using your credit or debit card, you have a Bitcoin option here. All right, so when you have done that, you scroll down to where you have your card number. So this is where you type your card number. Those of you that want to use your card, you type your card number there, the expiry date, and the CVV. The CVV is the number at the back of your card, the 3 numbers at the back of your card. And you also type your name here, which is optional. Name on the card, optional. Then you click on complete order. All right, so I'm not going to do that because I've done all this. So when you click on complete order, it's going to process your payment, and you would wait for an email to be sent to you. Actually, two mails will be sent to your email. All right, 2 mails will be sent to your email. The first one is the receipt of your payment to confirm that you have successfully paid, and the second email you are going to get is the one that shows your login details. All right, I'm going to show you a sample of how it's going to appear. All right, so this is the first email. This is how it's going to appear. It's going to show you the receipt, all right, to show that you have paid. As you can see, this is how it is. This is the first email you are going to receive. And for the second email, so the second email is going to look like this. All right, I had to erase some details there so that you won't log into my VPS. So there are three things you need here. Three things. The first one is your main IP, the second one is your username, and the third one is your password. Your main IP, your username, and the password. Everyone's username, if you're using iOSM, your username is administrator, while your password is different. The password is the one that you set when you are creating the account, and also your IP address, your main IP is different. So these are the three details you need. Now I'll show you what to do with these three details. So the first thing you do is to download an application from your app store. If you are using Android, it's simple. If you are using your iPhone, it's also simple. You download what they call remote desktop. All right, yes, this is your remote desktop. You can see this is the application, Microsoft Remote Desktop. But when you search for it, you get it. So when you download it from your app store, you open it. Okay, you open it. Mine is like this because I already have some I already have it logged in. So to do so, yours is going to be empty. It's going to be completely empty like this. So you click on the plus sign at the top right corner and you click add PC. Now this is where you type the main IP, that main IP that I covered. You type it here. Let's assume it is 192.168.3.147. I'm just using that as an example. All right, so when you type your main IP there, the next thing to do is to click save at the top right corner here. You click on save. Now when you click save, then you see it appear on your screen like this. You just have to click on it. All right, just click on it. When you click on it, it's going to load a page. It's going to load a page where you'll be asked to type your username and your password. Your username is going to be administrator, and your password is going to be that password that you also created. And when you log in, if everything is correct, it's going to take you into your VPS where you see the whole thing like a laptop. All right, so mine is not connecting here because I used a wrong VPS.